Welcome to Diyarbakır, the ancient soul of Mesopotamia. As our journey begins, we soar above the legendary Tigris River, winding its way beside the mighty city walls of Diyarbakır. These black basalt fortifications, standing since Roman times, embrace a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Below us stretches the fertile plain of Upper Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization. The city walls of Diyarbakır are among the longest and most well-preserved fortifications in the world, second only to the Great Wall of China. Built of jet-black basalt stone, these walls are adorned with ancient inscriptions and carvings, telling stories of Sumerians, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans who once ruled this land. In the heart of the city stands the majestic Ulu Cami, the great mosque of Diyarbakır. Dating back to the 11th century, it's considered one of the oldest mosques in Anatolia. A fusion of Islamic and Byzantine architecture, its quiet courtyards and intricately carved portals speak of centuries of devotion and coexistence. Wander through the narrow stone-paved alleys of Sur, the old town of Diyarbakır, where history breathes from every wall. Traditional homes built with black volcanic rock stand side by side with bazaars, tea houses, and artisans' shops, each echoing with memories of generations past. Beyond the city walls lie the Hefsale Gardens, lush, green fields that have fed Diyarbakır for over 8,000 years. These UNESCO-protected lands form a living bridge between the urban life and the wild serenity of the Tigris Valley. Here, agriculture, mythology, and history converge under the Anatolian sun. No journey to Diyarbakır is complete without tasting its legendary cuisine. From the richly stuffed kaburga dolmas to the tangy lamb stew meftune and the sizzling grilled liver known as seer, every bite is a celebration of Kurdish, Arab, and Turkish influences passed down through centuries. In the age of silk and spice, merchants and mystics stopped at caravanserais like the historic Delilah Han. Today, this beautifully restored inn welcomes travelers once again, this time with music, coffee, and the hum of conversations beneath ancient arches. It's a glimpse into Diyarbakır's past as a cultural crossroads. Diyarbakır is not just a city of stones, it's a city of stories. Home to renowned poets, musicians, and thinkers, its culture pulses with deep emotion. From traditional Kurdish melodies played on the timbre to vibrant street murals and poetry recitations in public squares, creativity thrives here. As the sun sets behind the ancient ramparts and the golden hues dance on the surface of the Tigris, Diyarbakır reveals its soul, one of strength, resilience, and profound beauty. This is not just a city, it's a living, breathing legend, a testament to humanity's oldest dreams and deepest roots. Thank you for exploring Diyarbakır with us, a city where every stone tells a story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the heart of Turkey. See you in the next episode of Tales of Turkey.